Run, Sarah! Yeah, look at your hair. Oh my gosh, that hair. Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. This is a brand new chilly day here in France. Chilly because it's I wouldn't say chilly, I would say fresh. Let's change the word. Not chilly, fresh. It's early in the morning, so it's expected to feel the way it is. It's September, so that's normal. By touch midday, it will be hot outside. So I already dropped Tyler to school this morning. Baby's working from home today, so I'm making the husband some breakfast. Dropped Tyler to school, got back, making the baby some breakfast, and then I'm going to go right back to the books. Probably another hour of French, and then I'll jump into some work and get on with my day. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys have a good start to your day, whatever time of the day that you are watching this. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. You hear Sarah? She's somewhere outside playing. But anyway, you guys, I am making avocado toast for babe. It's not yet time for me to have breakfast. I think I'm going to have the same thing, but in another hour or so. So that's what's up right now. I did not work out this morning because I'm still trying to find a balance with my routine in making things priority by intention. So I'm still trying to figure out what routine I'm going to stick to make things work for me. So I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm testing out a new method to see if it's gonna work. I'm not really feeling it, but it might be best. But anyway, you guys, do what works for you. That's the encouraging words for today. Do what works for you. What worked for me might not work for you, and what worked for you might not work for me. So find a balance in your day and make things happen, make things work. Sometimes I just wish I have so many more hours in the day, but honey child, that's not how life works. You gotta work with what you have. But anyway, breakfast is done now. I'm going to stop rambling, go ahead and enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll catch you guys at some point. But first, let me let you guys see Sarah. Honey, you're going to have breakfast outside? Breakfast is coming.
Thank you, love.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, good night. This is gonna be a wonderful day. This is gonna be a wonderful day.
Why is it gonna be such a wonderful day?
Because I'm here with you, with Sarah. Yes, yummy, yummy.
Sarah, see food. Sarah, say good morning.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Say good morning.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's egg. Egg. It's egg.
Egg.
Yes, go and have egg.
Oh, wow.
She don't want it. Say hello to the faves. Say hi.
Egg.
You going in?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh. You're playing outside? You're not saying good morning to the faves? She's minding her own business this morning. You guys not getting no good morning. No good morning, sir? Say good morning. Good? What? Say good morning. Good morning. Good girl. What are you doing? Say, I am playing. I am playing. Say, I am playing. Playing. Right. Alright, Mama, going inside. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're coming. She coming. I have abandoned you guys all day. Listen. No, that wasn't intentional. I've been here chit-chatting away almost all day. I met somebody today new, and she was here with moi, just chit-chatting and getting to know each other, so I didn't want to have the camera all up in her face today. If you guys remember a Jamaican St. Martinian girl that I met, and she was here a few months ago, Natasha. I met another St. Martinian Jamaican girl associated with Natasha, and her name is Tash. Close names, huh? So her mother is Jamaican and her father is from St. Martin, just like Natasha. She was here today, but like I said, I didn't want to have the camera on her. But now that I know that she's okay with the camera, you guys will definitely meet her again. You guys will definitely meet her another day. She moves here to Nice. She moved here to Nice with her family, her husband and her 2 kids. Yeah, so you guys will definitely be meeting everybody soon. Our kids was at school, so I didn't get to see the kids in person. Her husband is at work, so you guys will definitely see Tash. She's amazing. So you guys know that once she's around, you'll see her. Anyway, Sarah is done for a nap. Baby's working from home today, and I'm going to try and play catch up with some work right now before I go and pick Tyler up from school. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Run, Sarah! Yeah, look at your hair. Oh my gosh, that hair. Run! Run, Sarah, run! Don't fall, because I just saw you slide. You're too funny. Sarah, no! Sarah, don't. Sarah, don't. 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 What do you say? Don't do that. Don't, no. Almost. Sarah, don't do that. Sarah, no. No. Mama says no. It's very dangerous. You'll get hurt and you'll hurt the TV. You have to get away, Sarah. Get away. No, do not do that. I said, don't do that. No. It's dangerous. You're going to break the TV if you do that, and it can fall and drop in your head. Mama say no. No, no, no. It's very dangerous. Say dangerous. No, Sarah. No, don't do that. Don't count down and throw them. No, Sarah. Hella, don't laugh. Sarah, no, no, no.
She threw it on the TV. That's the guy.
Sarah, Mama says. Move. You guys, I'm making dinner for the fam bam. I bought these potatoes that I know the kids will like. I think they're trying it for the first time. Sarah's trying it for the first time. Tyler say he had it at school because they serve it at school a lot. It's just potato that we buy at the frozen section. And just put it on the stove for like 6 or so minutes, and that's the outcome. And that's gonna go with some fish. Alright, you guys, there goes dinner. Fish and potatoes for the kids. Voila. So that's vegetable soup for the fam. In here I have 1 cock soup, broccoli, zucchini, and pumpkin. And I just cook all that together and blend it. And there goes soup for the fam. Sarah, you've created a tornado. You ready to pack up? Let's pack up. Let's pack up. Pack up. Come, let's pack up. Good girl. Come on, let's pack up. Come in here. Come. Put them in. Come, put them in. Put it in here. Come, put it in here. Put it in here. Good girl. Put it in. In. Put it in here. Good job. All of it. No, in here. Put it in. Put it. Put it in here. Can you put them in for Mama, please? Good job. Yay. Good job. Put it in here. Good job, Sarah. Wow. Bravo. Put it in. Pick up paper. Pick up paper. Line on the ground. Line on the ground. It makes the place untidy. It makes the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Pick up paper. Pick up paper. Line on the ground. Line on the ground. It makes the place untidy. It makes the place untidy. Pick them up. Good job. Pick them up.
Good job.
Good job. Pick up paper. Pick up paper. Line on the ground. Line on the ground. Come put the toys in the basket. Put it in. Good job. Put it in. Bravo. Good job. Put it in. Good job. Pick up. Good job. All of them. Put them in. Good job, Sarah. You're doing good. Bravo. Put them in. Good job, Sarah. Yay. Good job. You're doing good. Continue. Pick up. Good job. Bravo. Keep going. Pick up all of them. Put them in here. Good job, Sarah. Good job. Put them in. Come here. Put them in. Put them in. Good job. Good job. Bravo. Good job, Sarah. Good job. Put them in. Wow, good job. Back up. Bravo. Put them in. Good job, Sarah. Pick up. Continue. Put them in. Put them in. Put them in. This one. Put it in. Put it in. You're doing good. Continue. Put it in. All of them. Good job. Keep going. Good job, Sarah. Keep going.
Coming to pack up the rubber fuse. I will help you with the car. Here. I'm helping you with the car, okay?
Okay.
What? What?
Good job, Sarah. Keep going.
Wait, what? Put the quack in the basket. Yay!
Keep going, Sarah. You're doing good. The pan is right there. No need to put them in front of me. Keep going, princess. Good job. Put it in the basket.
Come, there's a lot here. You can tell Sarah doing it.
Keep going, Sarah.
But the twist.
Put it in. That's okay, Sai. Put it in, princess. Put it in. Here, put it in. Put it in. Good job. Put it in. Good job.
Picture for Auntie Daniel with the dinosaur.
Okay, I'm coming. Good job, Sarah. We finished. Yay!
Sarah, catch the room.
Sarah, pack up the room. Sarah, pack up the room. Pack up, pack up, pack up. Sarah, pack up the room. Yay! Good job.
But it's not bigger too.
Here.
But pack up the room is bigger too.
No. You're welcome, Sarah.
Let's do the picture now.
Good job. Good job.